Yeah, there's definitely some extras on here.
People always talk about some smoke that they don't know about. I be driving with that constant way more than your mama house. All the speed doctors, we got patients who keep slowing down. Come and take a ride with us and see how we gon' run the town. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show. From the money to the cars, we gon' show you how it go. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctor, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctor, we gon' give your ass a show.
What up, Speed Dog Nation? Welcome back to the channel. We've been grinding, man, putting everything together to give y'all the best content we can. Once again, we're back at Extreme Off-Road and Performance, and we got something real special for you today. 900 horsepower. Now, last time we did 900 horsepower, it was the Lamborghini Urus. And you look around, it's actually not here anymore. The market is so hot that boys are taking it back, getting more than what they paid for it. So let's tap in and see what's going on. Appreciate it, man. Doing all right? Busy as usual?
Finished it up yesterday. They aligned it this morning, then we cleaned it up, and then they, I think all we got to do tomorrow is we're going to coat it, and then pick it up Thursday, ship it to.
Okay, so it's wrapped already then, right?
It's done. Yeah, it's all done. It's all, we did that's the Expel, the full body, the Stealth PPF. So it was a black truck, so it's the full body PPF, but it turns it matte. So it's
like a satin.
Yeah, it turns it matte, but it protects it.
Yeah.
That's all we gotta do is we're gonna put the ceramic coating on it tomorrow before it ships out.
It looks really nice.
Finish washing it. Go for a little ride, and it's nasty.
So we've been in the TRX, but you said you guys did something to it.
Yeah, he wanted something since he's in Arizona now to be good for out there, and it's just, like, man, this is perfect. It's nice, it's fast, it's comfortable, it's perfect for desert terrain and all that. So yeah, we did the full body wrap, and then we're gonna coat it obviously. And they come out with a cool little leveling kit for it because they sit real nose low.
Right, I noticed. It looked like it's really got its chin up now.
Yeah, it's got a nice stance to it. So it leveled it, works with all the adaptive suspension and all that, and then Phodeos sent him some cool wheels, did it, and then he wanted it all like matte black with a little touch of bronze, so he did like bronze inserts on the wheels. And
well, I noticed that even the faceplate Ram is in bronze, and on the back too.
Yeah, so we did the Ram logos front and back, and the TRX in bronze, and then like the TRX on the bed we redid, and we added like the little slash marks in it to do it some more.
Okay.
In bronze, and did all that. And it's got the.
I mean, I love the extra touch, man.
Yeah, he wanted just a little bit of something, a little touch, but nothing too crazy, not something like too much over the top to where it was just way out there. We did bed cover and tinted it, power steps.
Oh, okay, power step.
Yeah,
that is definitely not standard.
Interiors and stuff. Tinted it, did the windshield protection.
What about these extra lights?
So these are all the ADD, the Addictive Desert Design bumpers. So it's their bomber front bumpers.
Okay, front and back.
Yeah, it's got all the rigid lights. And then yeah, we did the 900 horsepower like Hellcat motor upgrade. So it's got long tube headers, pulley, injectors, catch can, full tune. So
we pop the hood after he's done?
Yeah. Nice. So it's like same thing like we do in like the Chargers and Challengers.
Yeah. Like you did the Corys, right?
Yeah, but catered to this, it feels totally different though in the truck.
I mean, this thing drives so mean already.
Yeah, you can't really see as much because it's so covered up.
On the cover.
You got the little T-Rex eating the
Easter
Raptor.
eggs.
Catch cans. See the long tube headers down in there, the new headers, the pulley.
they're hard to get.
So like last night, even like today, like the whole shop's just full of Hellcats and Lambos. Like we had a bunch of, there's like a bunch of Challengers and Chargers and Hellcats everywhere.
That orange one's been here a minute, man. What's going on?
We're waiting on a body kit for it because he wrecked it. So
that's the one that had the damage on the front end, right? Okay. It's been like 3 months.
well, he ordered some parts for it and then he didn't like what he got.
Oh, okay.
So then he ordered something else, and now he's about to get the new stuff for it.
Got it. Okay.
There's another one. There's one here. There's another TRX. We just wrapped a lot.
Okay, it looks the same almost. Yeah, and it's crazy because the whole microchip shortage, V8 engines on back order.
That was crazy too. Like Ford and Chevy and all them are struggling real bad, but it doesn't seem to like affect Dodge nowhere near as bad as the rest of them.
I'm pretty sure they're sacrificing not making something else, and they're putting it all toward this. Yeah, this is where the money is.
They've got to be.
Yeah, listen to that. So you're saying you did the same Hellcat upgrades that you would do for a Challenger or Charger? Yeah,
basically it's roundabout the same stuff that you do on like the Charger and Challenger stuff. It's the same injector, same pulley. It's headers are obviously a little different. Injector catch can is a little different. Tuning is a little different because it's gotta be a little bit more adaptable for a truck.
And you got the ceramic tint on
it's
the
all ceramic tinted and PPF, and we're gonna coat it, ceramic coat it, and then it's got like the windshield protection film on the outside for like rock chips and stuff, just so it's protected as possible, so it doesn't get all beat up and scratched up out there with all the dirt and rocks.
Yeah, it's gonna be in the Arizona desert.
Sand and all that.
You miss the Urus?
A little bit. You know, I don't drive much, that's the thing. You know, I have one of these, this is fun to play with too.
They're real fun, man. I had a real fun time driving them. Shout out to Kel Johnson for bringing by the T-Rex so we could have a little fun with it.
These are, especially once you do stuff to them, they're more fun to play with than they are stock.
I like how this sits up high. How much of a lift?
It's a leveling kit basically, so it like brings the front up like 2 inches.
Okay.
Substantial overstock.
You can hear it and feel it. It revs up, man. It's a monster.
It's all like the same. It's all like the stock catback, like the Hellcat exhaust stuff. So it's just basically long tubes and no cats.
With the engine this big, it doesn't take much. Little changes here and there, you get a different sound. I mean, it wasn't even a cold start. And when you start it up, it was still loud. Yeah, I mean, it just seems like instant torque. You hit gas and it's going. Real nice, man. I appreciate it.
No problem. Alright.
Take it easy, man.
Y'all be good.
All right, peace.
See y'all later.